Hello Internet, my name is Dana, and welcome to the garage. Today we're going to be working on my 2003 BMW Z4. Got a couple things I got to fix before it gets inspected next week, so figured I'd take you all along on the journey. So the first thing I got to do is fix the high beam on the driver's side. These cars are known for having really bad wiring, and this one's no different. The previous owner put in some aftermarket headlights, which is cool, but he hardwired the one to the driver's side to the harness, and so I replaced that a while ago, but because there was no splash guard or anything, it is now, but there was no splash guard, the wires are corroded pretty badly, so I gotta fix that. It's kind of keeping the connections from working. Yeah, so as you can see, I replaced this harness. I kind of left it long for a reason so that I could fix it up later, but I replaced this whole harness. This was all chopped up, and right here you can see so as you can see, I replaced most of this harness already, and right here this connector gets really bad. Yeah, you can see just how nasty that is. I did goop it up a while ago, but you can see just how corroded those terminals are. I'll try to clean this up. Alright, after giving it a good clean, I got the headlights on. You can see the high beam is working now. This is one problem fixed. Alright, well, I was getting to thinking, and I don't really like how that headlight is working. Oh good, it's starting to rain. Yeah, so I had to replace the harness part on the actual headlight itself because the previous owner had hardwired it, and it just doesn't, like, there's got a short in it somewhere. The wires are real touchy, so I'm going to replace the whole, and I actually had to replace this whole part of the harness too. As you can see, like I did leave it long for a reason. So I just got some new plugs, and now they're not the same BMW plugs because those things are real hard to find and real expensive just to get the male plug. So I'm going to replace it with these. It's a 14 gauge wire. It should be more than enough for these down there. So got to take the bumper off, got to take the headlight off, and I'm going to rewire it, and maybe if I do it right I can actually get the halos to work because they've never worked. So let's go do that. You might be asking yourself, why did you take the bumper off, Dana? Well, in Pennsylvania, certain things need to work, like the horn. And that's pretty much shot. So, what the hell did they do? Okay. So that needs to go. I got new horns to replace that. But this side of the car was in an accident, and I need to replace a lot of things. This whole frame rail is going to get replaced as well in one of these project videos. Right now, got some wiring to do. As you can see, like I had a shop try to fix it. I don't think they did anything to it. They didn't charge me, but they just gooped it up with seam sealer and painted it. Same with back there. They didn't fix it. This whole frame's kind of kinked over. That's okay. We'll fix it. I got a whole new frame rail for that side. That's just going to be another project. So let's get started on this. Yeah, so this horn's not in terrible shape, but I got a new one. And all this wiring is just not good. Yeah, and you know you're working on BMWs a lot when you've got like 3 whole sets of these in various different drives. Freaking star bits. Yeah, I did a real bang-up job on this. Just trying to get it functioning. When I bought the car, I had no